Hi everyone, welcome to JMC. The time is currently... the mouse isn't working. 11:41, and legomanbiffo sent me over a sound file for my class 68. Now, I've been playing with this. I've done a bit of a custom fit in this. What I've done is I've put one of my famous Foster 20x40 upgrades in. You probably know that I rave about these because of the clarity and how good sound quality they are. But recently I had a play with one and I fitted one into a bass reflex enclosure, and I've got to say I was that impressed with the outcome that it pushed me forward into making some 3D printed boxes. So basically these are bass reflex enclosures, which the Foster is designed to go straight in like that. So a bit of PVA glue around the outside edge just to get you an airtight, and of course you've also got mounts if you want to put the screws in, or you can just fill them up with glue like I have been doing. Anyway, enough about the speaker. Have a listen to this. What I'll do is I'll do the drive hold and I'll just basically rev the engine. So just a quick video. Probably going to have to hit my bed pretty soon because I've got to be up in the morning. But overall clarity, very happy with it. Tried this speaker in a Class 52 Western as well this evening. Again, clarity is just well and truly up there. As a whole, very happy. A couple of these will be going out to various people. I'm not going to say names, but to say the least, my stock's going to go down pretty quickly, but I'll be getting feedback from these people with regards to it, and go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.